What's the meaning of battering? Battering. Battering.
Battering. Battering. Battering is a noun that describes the act of repeatedly hitting something or someone, often with great force. It can refer to physical violence inflicted on an individual or group, but it can also describe the damage caused by natural forces such as wind, waves, or erosion. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe a severe or sustained attack on something, like a battering of criticism or bad luck. Battering can have lasting effects on both the target and perpetrator, and it is often associated with trauma, fear, and vulnerability. Effective intervention and prevention strategies are needed to address this pervasive social issue.